Thank you so much for volunteering to be part of the Community Mask Drive for Mount Mahogany Elementary School. You will be receiving kits of 10 masks, and you're going to want to open your kit and make sure that you have all of the supplies. You should have elastic cut to the right length and some wire for inside your masks. And then you're going to want to take your squares of fabric and fold them right sides together. And sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Next, you're going to want to take your wire, center it in the middle between one edge and the other edge, because this is going to be your nose piece. And then start sewing on a zigzag over the wire. Sewing between the seam that you just did and the edge. Next, turn your mask inside out. Once you've trimmed any stray threads, you can put your fabric on your pleating guide with your seam up at the top. Starting at the bottom line, you're going to pinch it up and pull it about 1/2 inch up and pin it securely. Then you're going to go to your top pleat and pull it up almost to the top. Your mask should be about 3 inches long. Your pleated mask and some elastic from your kit, and thread your elastic about 1/2 inch in between the layers of mask. And then you're going to zigzag very close to the edge. Once you're off your elastic, make sure you go back. Add in the other end of your elastic in between the layers. Do the same for the other side. Do the same thing for the next side. Threads in your mask.